In JavaScript, the this keyword is one of the most frequently misunderstood concepts. It's often confusing because its value changes depending on the context in which it is used. However, once you understand how this works, you'll be able to write cleaner and more predictable code. In simple terms, this is a reference to the context in which a function is executed. In the global context, outside of any function or object, this refers to the global object. In browsers, this is typically the window object. In strict mode, the value of this is undefined, rather than pointing to the global object. When a function is invoked as a method of an object, this refers to that object. This is one of the most common uses of this. When a function is invoked with the new keyword, this refers to the newly created instance of the object. This is used in constructor functions and classes. Arrow functions are a bit different. They do not have their own this. Instead, they inherit this from their surrounding lexical context. In our example, even though arrowfunc is a function defined within the greet method, it doesn't have its own this. Instead, it inherits this from the greet method, so it refers to the person object. In the case of event handlers, this refers to the element that triggered the event, not the surrounding context.